Hello again, guys. I see that the straight twin one didn't win through, but I was busy now making another setup. This one is for the whole week. The double chance bets of yesterday, of today is still included. So this is still This is a third odd bet for the whole week. Let me just bet, and I'll send the code. Wait, what is happening? Okay, there's the code, guys. I don't know what happened there, but there it is. Let's so 1, 2, 3. It's 3 teams for today. One for tomorrow, none for Tuesday, one for Thursday, and then the last one on Thursday. I don't have a lot of money yet, so I'll just start small.